Everybody fucking jump!
Alright, welcome back to the Ozone, everybody. Let's start this video. It's shoe time. Let's get you guys a little bit of box action. This one reads the Air Jordan 1 Mid Armory Navy, white and black. Get this out of here. Let's check her out together. Just like that. Just another basic Jordan 1 Mid. Same Jordan 1 Mid materials. Quality control is getting kind of bad on the Jordan 1 Mids. Armory blue mud guard, white normal leather background, armory blue Nike swoosh. Standard Jordan 1 Mid back to the Army Navy bottom. Little white break up to the black at the top. Same as the other side on this one. Black bottom, Armory Navy blue bottom, which is close to being black. Get you guys some light so you can see. Navy blue bottom. All good materials. Just like that bottom. Nothing special about this Jordy. A little bit of suede at the top here. So make sure you guys treat that before you wear the shoe. Like I said, just a basic Jordy. Just wanted to make sure I got this one up here for you guys. Give you guys a look at the shoe, what it's going to look like on your feet. Let me know what shoes you guys want to see on the channel. Let me know what shoes you guys are buying. Everybody make sure you stay safe. Have a nice day.
Everybody fucking jump!